on this holy act that after hours of sorrow chidest not.
Amen, amen, but what sorrow can, it cannot countervail the exchange of joy that one short minute gives me in her sight. Do thou it close our hands with holy word, and love devouring death do what he dare. It is enough I may but call her mine.
These violent delights have violent ends, and in their triumph die like fire and powder, which as they kiss consume, the sweetest honey is loathsome in his own deliciousness, and in the taste compounds the appetite. Therefore love moderately, long love doubts so. Too swift arrives as tardy as too slow. Here comes the lady! Oh, so light of foot will never wear out the everlasting flint. A lover may bestride the gossamer that idles in the wanton summer air, and yet not fall, so light is vanity.
Good even to my ghostly confessor.
Romeo shall thank the daughter for us both.
As much to him, else is his thanks too much.
Juliet, if the measure of thy joy be heaped like mine, and that the skill be more to blazon it, to sweeten with thy breath this neighbor air and the rich music's tongue, unfold the imagined happiness that both receive in either by this dear encounter.
Conceit, more rich in matter than in words, brags of his substance, not of ornament. They are but beggars that can count their worth. But my true love is grown to such success, I cannot sum up of half my wealth.
Come with me, and we will make short work, for by your leave we shall not stay alone. The holy church incorporate two in one.
We're gonna have so many bloopers.
Go! These violent delights!
It won't matter. Miss Golson will be like, ah, good job.
Shut your mouth! My God! Out there!